Hello YouTube, it's been a while. How y'all doing out there? It's been quite a while actually. I took on a job here. It's been a while. I didn't know if I really wanted to do it or not. But we're looking at a couple amplifiers here to check out, maybe possibly fix. Not quite sure yet. Customer states on this one here, this down for sound amp, that it's in Protect. So we will go through and check that. This scar here is also in Protect. I don't know if it's worth saving or not, but we'll do our best to check it out. And then we have this one here, another scar just like that one. And this one, the RCA jack is broken. So I was told if I can't get this one fixed, take this jack and put it in here. So that will be a fairly easy one. So anyway, let's look at what's coming to the channel soon. So remember to like, comment, and get subscribed if you haven't. It really helps the algorithm. It's been a while since I've been on here, like I said, for the last 4 times. But I'm trying to get back into this, so everybody have a great day. Keep an eye open for videos.